My name's Jo Oxley and I run Optima Health Services. Well, I feel like a bit of a dinosaur in this new age, and I know how important video is to promote my business, and I just needed to come and find out how to do it, and the idea that I can use my mobile phone to capture stuff that's going to be helpful for my business is amazing. I've learnt so much, and I feel really excited. I can't wait to get home now. The editing thing has kind of blown my mind of what you can start to now put together, and so professional. You made a video in what, 10 minutes? That looks so professional. I mean, that just is feel enthusiastic about it, but also feel quite confident that I could do it. Oh, don't hesitate, 100 million% come on this training, because if I can do it, anybody can, seriously.